You walk into a luxury hotel. Instantly, something feels different. The space is bright, the decor is flawless, but it's the scent that makes your shoulders drop and your mind relax. There's a calm, clean note in the air. Maybe it's floral, woody, or fresh citrus. It's not overpowering, but it's there, welcoming you quietly. What you smell is no accident. Hoteliers spend a lot of time and money crafting this invisible part of your visit. Scent is used to signal you've arrived somewhere special. It's often the very first thing your brain registers, even before you notice the marble floors or velvet sofas. These signature hotel aromas are carefully designed to be memorable. They linger in the air and in your mind. When you leave, you might not remember every detail of the lobby, but you'll remember how it made you feel, often thanks to the scent. So why does this matter? Because that feeling of luxury and comfort is not just about what you see, it's about what you breathe in too. The scent experience sets the tone for everything that follows. Hotels use scent as part of their branding, almost like a secret logo. Just as a logo appears on towels and keycards, a signature scent is woven into the air. This technique is called scent branding. It means creating a unique fragrance blend that belongs only to that hotel or hotel chain. These scents are made by professional perfumers. They combine notes that match the mood and message of the hotel. For example, a seaside resort might use fresh, salty, and citrus notes to remind you of the ocean, while a city hotel might choose musk, amber, or sandalwood for a sense of warmth and sophistication. One key way hotels deliver this scent is with diffusers. You will often spot them at entrances, in lobbies, and in spa areas. Sometimes they are well hidden behind plants or furniture. Other times they are stylish decorative objects in plain sight. The effect is subtle, but powerful. Guests feel the signature scent as soon as they arrive. Over time, they begin to associate that specific fragrance with the memory of their stay. That's branding at its most elegant and invisible. Why does scent have such a strong effect on us? The answer lies in biology. Our sense of smell is directly linked to the part of the brain that controls emotions and memories. This means that a pleasant scent can instantly change how we feel about a space, making it seem more expensive or welcoming. Luxury hotels know this and use it to their advantage. If a space smells clean, fresh, and unique, people automatically think it is high quality. This is why even an ordinary hallway can feel special with the right fragrance. The scent says, "This place is cared for. You are somewhere meant for comfort." Studies have shown that scents like vanilla, sandalwood, and citrus can make people feel calm and happy. Others, like lavender or green tea, are known to reduce stress. When these scents fill the air, guests unconsciously relax and enjoy their surroundings more. This invisible design trick is so effective that many guests later buy the hotel's candle or diffuser to take a piece of that feeling home. Scent becomes a powerful reminder of quality, comfort, and even joy. It's not just the scent itself, but where it's placed that matters. Hotels put a lot of thought into this. The first spot is always the entrance or lobby. This is where guests step in from the outside world, carrying stress or travel fatigue. The moment they breathe in the signature scent, they start to relax. Diffusers are often placed near doors, in hallways, and along main paths inside the hotel. In some cases, special scenting machines pump fragrance through the ventilation system, so the same note carries throughout the building. This gives a sense of consistency and comfort. Public areas like lounges, spas, and gyms also get their own dose of fragrance. Even elevators may have a subtle aroma, making the ride between floors more pleasant. These small touches add up. They create a unified feeling of luxury and care. This level of attention to scent is rare at home. But it's part of what makes staying in a luxury hotel feel like a special escape. You notice the difference, even if you can't always say why. When people decorate their homes, they usually think about colors, furniture, and lighting. Scent is often forgotten. It's invisible, so it's easy to ignore. But honestly, this is a mistake. As hotels prove, what you smell is just as important as what you see. One reason scent gets overlooked is because it's hard to see results. You can spend hours choosing a sofa, but you won't spend the same time picking a diffuser. Yet, the right scent can make a room feel bigger, cleaner, or more welcoming. It can even boost your mood after a long day. Scent is also personal. What smells good to one person might not to another, and this makes people a bit nervous to experiment. But even small changes can make a big difference. Hotels take the risk, and it really pays off. Ignoring scent is like ignoring music at a party. The right background note makes everything feel smoother and richer. That's why, honestly, it's time to put scent on your design checklist at home. Our brains are wired to connect scent with memory. A single whiff can bring back the feeling of a summer holiday, a festive dinner, or a favorite place. Hotels use this power to make their spaces unforgettable. When you step into a lobby and breathe in a unique fragrance, that moment stays with you long after checkout. This isn't just nostalgia, it's science. Smells travel quickly to the limbic system, the emotional core of the brain. That's why a pleasant scent can instantly lift your spirits or calm your nerves. Hotels rely on this effect to create positive, lasting impressions. These memories are powerful. Sometimes guests will even choose a hotel again, just because they remember how good it smelled. The scent becomes part of the story they tell about their trip. You can use this trick at home too. A signature scent can make your space more inviting for guests and more enjoyable for yourself. It's a simple way to make ordinary days feel special. You don't need a big budget or a design team to make your home smell like a 5-star hotel. Start small. Try placing a reed diffuser near your front door. This way, you and your guests get a burst of fragrance every time you enter. Scented candles are another classic choice. Pick a high-quality candle with notes you love. Think vanilla, sandalwood, or citrus. Light it in the evening to create a cozy, luxurious vibe. Remember to choose scents that fit the mood of each room. Fresh, clean scents work well in bathrooms and kitchens, while warmer, richer scents are perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. You can also use essential oil diffusers. These let you mix and match oils to create your own signature blend. For a hotel-like feel, try mixing citrus, green tea, or soft floral notes. Be careful not to overdo it. Luxury hotels aim for subtle, not overpowering. Regularly airing out your home and keeping it clean are just as important. The goal is freshness, not just covering up odors. With a few simple tools, you can transform the atmosphere of your home instantly. The market for home scent products has grown a lot. This means you have plenty of options. Reed diffusers are low maintenance. They work all day without needing electricity or flames. Just pop in the reeds, add the oil, and enjoy weeks of gentle fragrance. Scented candles are great for moments when you want instant atmosphere. They also add a warm, welcoming glow. Look for candles made from natural waxes and high-quality oils for the cleanest burn and best scent. Electric diffusers are another popular choice. They let you control the strength and timing of your scent. Some even come with timers, so you can set them to run in the morning or before guests arrive. If you prefer, you can also use sprays or scented sachets for smaller spaces like closets or drawers. Experiment with different products to see what fits your lifestyle best. The key is consistency. A gentle, steady scent makes your home feel intentional and cared for. Scent is the secret design trick that luxury hotels use to make their spaces unforgettable. It's easy to miss, but once you notice it, you can never go back. By adding a signature scent to your own home, you create an atmosphere that feels welcoming, calm, and special. Most people focus only on what they can see. But the truth is, scent is just as important for creating mood and comfort. It's the missing ingredient in many homes. With a few simple steps, you can use scent to turn ordinary spaces into your own private retreat. Don't wait for your next holiday to enjoy the feeling of a luxury hotel. Bring that experience home. Choose a scent that speaks to you, place it where it counts, and enjoy the change it brings to your daily life. Remember, luxury isn't about what you have, it's about how you feel. And with the right scent, you can make every day feel a little more special.